Hello students, we're back again with another MCQ, and this is a part 2 of the going places. As I told you, 20 MCQs in each. So the first MCQ is, who is Sophie's elder brother? Danny Casey, Jeff, a training mechanic, Jancy, or none? Answer is Jeff, a training mechanic. That's his elder brother. Let's go to the next MCQ. It's taking a while, okay? Explain on Saturday they made their weekly pilgrimage to the United. That means repairing a cooler, went to the United dutifully with a lot of devotion, repairing a car or repairing a stove. So basically, the answer for this is they went to the United dutifully with a lot of devotion. That's a weekly pilgrimage for them, for the family and of Sophie. Next question. Where does Sophie visit to meet Cassie in her imagination? A football ground, a secret place near canal, in the match or in a hotel. तो जो सोफी होती है ना, वो इमेजिन करती है कि वो फुटबॉल प्लेयर डैनी कैसी उससे मिल रही है. तो in the story, where does she imagine that she is meeting Cassie? Answer for this is an important MCQ, children. So remember, a secret place near canal is the right answer. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please do subscribe, like, and share amongst your friends as well. And I will be posting after these chapters from tomorrow. I'll be posting all the poems MCQ as well. Okay, the next MCQ is, which game are Sophie and her family fans of? Badminton, volleyball, cricket, or football? So we know the whole story revolves around a football player. So you can always guess it's family fans of football. Next question. Why did Sophie like her brother Jeff more than anyone else? Because he keeps her secret, because she can confide in him, or he keeps silent, or all of these are the quality of, brother Jeff. तो जो उसका बड़ा भाई होता है ना, वो उसकी सारी बातें सीक्रेट रखता है, किसी को बताता भी नहीं है. और सोफ़ी को जब मन करता है वो उसके साथ बातें शेयर कर सकती है और वो चुप रहता है. ऐसे तो वैसे भाई मिलने मुश्किल हैं, बट इन द स्टोरी यस इट इज़. सो दैट इज़ वाई Sophie likes her brother. So because of all of these options. Next question. When does Sophie and her family go to watch the football match? On Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning, Saturday, or Sunday evening? So we know it very well, children. कहानी में ये कब खेलने देखने जाते हैं फुटबॉल मैच? Saturday को. So answer is Saturday. Next question. Sophie dreams and disappointments are all in her mind. इसका क्या मतलब है? Is it that they tell us about her future? They all represent her imagination and nothing in reality. Or they explain her personality. Or they represent her nature. तो सोफी के जो भी है ना, सब कुछ इसके दिमाग में है, ये ड्रीम्स और जो भी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है दे ऑल रिप्रेजेंट हर इमेजिनेशन. ये सब उसकी सोची समझी, मतलब सोचती रहती है, इमेजिन करती रहती है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है, और एक्चुअल में रियलिटी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो आंसर इज दे ऑल रिप्रेजेंट हर इमेजिनेशन एंड नथिंग इन रियलिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What are the advantages and disadvantages of fantasizing? Helps in dreaming big, helps in achieving big, or develops creative imagination, and disadvantages that it makes people self-obsessed, or none of these. तो बच्चों ऐसा होता है ना, जब फैंटेसाइज करते हो, आप सोचते हो कि भाई मैं शाहरुख खान बनूंगा, तो आप ना उसकी तरह सोचने की कोशिश करते हो, आप क्रिएटिव हो जाते हो, आप एक्टिंग के बारे में सोचते हो. लेकिन डिसएडवांटेज उसका ये हो जाएगा कि आप ना बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच हो जाओगे बाकी लोगों से, बाकी चीज़ों से दूर हो जाओगे और सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाओगे. दैट इज़ वाई, एंड सो दैट दिस MCQ आंसर इज इट डेवलप्स क्रिएटिव इमेजिनेशन, एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस आर it makes people self-obsessed. Let's go to the next question. Why is Jancy not able to support Sophie's view? Because he is unable to believe, because his imagination is poor, because he is a happy-go-lucky man, or because he is a realistic and believes in practicality. तो जेंसी जो है ना, उसका छोटा भाई, वो जो कहता है उसके सपोर्ट, सोफी के व्यू को सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत रियलिस्टिक और प्रैक्टिकल बातों में बिलीव करता है. तो आंसर इज बिकॉज ही इज अ रियलिस्टिक एंड बिलीव्स इन प्रैक्टिकलिटी. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट MCQ. Why is Sophie attracted to Danny, and does she meet him in reality? Because he is smart, because he earns well, because he plays football, or because he is a heroic footballer and she meets him in imagination only. तो बच्चों ये MCQ में तो बड़ा क्लियर है. दोनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन में है कि बिकॉज ही इज अ हीरोइक फुटबॉलर एंड शी मीट्स हिम इन इमेजिनेशन ओनली. तो आंसर इज दिस वन. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Why does Sophie feel choked in the house? Because of no air, because of smoke, because of foul smell, or because of stoves, steam and dirty dishes? तो सोफी है वो घर पे ना चोक्ड क्यों फील करती है? उसे घर में ना स्टोव की स्टीम आती रहती है और बहुत गंदे बर्तन पड़े होते हैं इसलिए. सो आंसर इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्टोव, स्टीम एंड डर्टी डिशेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So children, next question is what secret did Sophie share with her brother? She met Christopher. We're back again. Okay, children, let's come with the next question. What secret did Sophie share with her brother? That she met Christopher, that she met Mary Quant, a famous fashion designer, or she met the Prime Minister, or she met Danny Casey, a famous footballer. So we know the Sophie, in her imagination, thought of meeting Danny Casey, a famous footballer. उसके दिमाग में वही चल रहा था. तो that is the secret that she shared with her brother. Let's go to the next MCQ. So what does Jeff's silence symbolize in Sophie's view? His vague personality, wandering of his mind to distant places, or his jovial nature. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि जेफ का जो साइलेंस है, जो चुप रहता है, वो सोफी के व्यू में क्या सिंबलाइज करता है? इसका आंसर है बच्चों wandering of his mind to distant places. Let's go to the next one. Which country did Danny play for? Netherlands, New Zealand, Ireland or Switzerland? ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. You will have to memorize this. डैनी कैसी जो फुटबॉल प्लेयर था, he played for Ireland. Remember, Ireland. What kind of person is Sophie's father? A loving and caring, a hardcore, realistic, carefree, or a kind-hearted? Well, हम जानते हैं जो सोफी का फादर है वो कैसा था. He was hardcore, realistic. बिल्कुल जो एक्चुअल चीज़ें होनी चाहिए उस पर बिलीव करता था. Why does Sophie feel jealous of her brother? Because he keeps silent, because he is a mechanic, because he reveals his secret, or because of inability to reach unknown areas of his mind. And children, the answer for this is Sophie feels jealous of her brother because of inability to reach unknown areas of his mind. मतलब वो अपनी मन की बातें बताता नहीं था, खोलता नहीं था, इसलिए she was. Why did their favorite team win the match? Because they played well, because of the goal made by Casey, they were united, or they planned well. The answer is because of the goal made by Casey. What does Jency ask Sophie? The reality behind her meeting with Danny Casey, about Danny Casey, about her dream, or about Mary Quant. So we know Jency asks Sophie the reality behind her meeting with Danny Casey. Why does Sophie get angry with her brother? Because of his silence, because he revealed her secret to Jency's brother, or he doesn't speak to her, or none. Well, we know Sophie gets angry with her brother because he revealed her secret to Jency's brother. And children, this is the last MCQ for Going Places now coming up. And I hope you are enjoying it. So do like, subscribe and share these videos. And I wish you all the very best for your exams and future. Who is Sophie's younger brother? Jeff, Casey, Jarek or Frank? Answer is Derek. Thank you children and enjoy your day ahead.